Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing all right. I hope people had make some good money this past week. So wanted to see how MSTY would do if you invested like $1,000 a month since inception. So it came out February 22nd, and then after that, wanted to see like what would happen if you bought like before the declaration date. So for example, you would start on February 22nd. The closing price was around $21.19. So $1,000 will get you 47 shares. And then when you see in the like the total shares column, that's when you see like the running total for each subsequent month. So for example, after that, like March 4th, $30.55, you would be able to get 33 shares, and then the total is 80, and then so on and so forth. And then I also put in like the payable dates. As you can see, like the first payable date was on April 8th. And then let me scroll over a little bit some more so you can see like the distribution per share, and then also like how much would you get in total. So let's scroll down some more. So I did this up to until like September 4th, and then so now your total payday is $2,767.32. And if I scroll back up a little bit, oops, sorry about that. Let me scroll over some more. So I think that should be good enough. So basically, your mark to market. So like looks up until now, you started with like $8,000, and then now, since unfortunately the price has been up and down, so your current mark to market is 7,470.47. So that means you lost, a small amount, $6.62%. However, your distribution return was pretty good, and that it overpowers like the price return. So your total return is 27.97%. This is as of September 27th, Friday close. Of the closing price was $25.88. And just for sake of comparison, MicroStrategy itself, if you bought from February 22nd all the way to September 27th, it was a split adjusted, of course, from $71.32 to $176.22, and for a total return of 147%. So, it's, I guess, like when you compare it outright, it doesn't feel so good, but not everybody probably had the stomach to hold on to like MicroStrategy itself, like all the way through. And then some people have a preference for like just more for like an income style type of return. So you did have to like be patient with this one because there's a lot of ups and downs. So like if I just kind of scroll back over, you can see like the closing prices. At one point like the closing price, if you bought like before the declaration date, so for example on April 2nd, like you could have you bought less shares, so you have a $41.21 which raises your overall cost basis. But then if you kind of were patient and you've kind of bought all the way through, you're still able to accumulate 289 shares. So it's up to you whether you like more income style, or if you more prefer more capital gain style. It's up to you. So hopefully people found this interesting. Hopefully, just to see like maybe to help people kind of see like the merits of dollar cost averaging. You still come out, like a total return for 8 months of 28% is not bad at all. Of course, I think a lot of people would have preferred 147%, but not everybody again has the stomach to kind of just like hold on, or maybe not everyone has enough money to kind of do like covered calls on like 100 shares. So hope this helps some people out, and hope people continue to make some good money out there. And please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.